Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to send out a bunch of emails with a Google add-on called Foreman. Now, this add-on is nice because it has very little request for permissions, so it doesn't want to read your emails and it doesn't need to read all of your Google Sheets, just the ones that you're working on. Now, you can see over here, I sent out a bunch of emails, cold emails, maybe to a list of about like 500 or so. Now, these are pretty old emails, so what ended up happening was we got a bunch of bounces. So what we're going to do is we're going to use another add-on called Extractor to pull all of those emails, and we're going to match it up to see which ones bounced. So we'll go ahead and create a new sheet here. We're going to open up Extractor. And we're going to open up one of these emails and we're going to get the sender. In our case, it's Google. And we're also going to get the subject. And let's see here, the date is fine. We just need to grab the email, so we're going to get the text after this bit here, and we'll select end of word here. And then we'll go ahead and do that, and it should start processing the emails. It takes a minute because it does it in batches of 50 or so. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new status column. Okay. Let's see, it seems like the emails are processing. So here we go. So we got a bunch of emails, processed about 126, and there's some other emails here that's just, you could clean that up later, but what we're going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and we're just going to trim this just to remove any white spaces. So we'll copy that, we'll drag it all the way down here. Okay, so we got our emails here, and what we're going to do is also we're just going to create a random status here. We'll call it bounced. Go ahead and copy that. Oops. Let's try that one more time. We'll drag it down here. And now what we'll do is on this new status, we'll just do a quick VLOOKUP. Oops, let's see. So our search key is going to be the email. Our range is going to be E through F. And our column is going to be the second column, and we'll set it to an exact match by setting false. Okay. Now that was a good email, so what we'll do is we'll drag it all the way down here. Right, and so now we know which emails bounced, right? And we could go through the process of either deleting those or what have you. We could just go ahead and go here, we'll create a filter, and we'll just create a status. We'll only show the ones that bounced, so we know. Let's see here. It's not too many actually. I'd say maybe about like 50 or 70 emails or so. And or we can just not show that one, and we know all the ones that are good. So there you go. Easy way to send out emails and to import statuses of emails. Now you could also use this to parse all sorts of other emails, but it's just a nice tool to have. All right, we'll see you in the next one.